Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please consider subscribing and liking. It helps the channel a lot. So, I'm a DeWalt guy and I've got a lot of DeWalt batteries. I like them. I like the products a lot. But now there's some products that use the DeWalt battery that are not DeWalt. So I bought one. I bought this cordless, basically, small vacuum. And I'd like to see how it works. Let's take a look. This is Mellif, M-E-L-L-I-F vacuum cleaner VC DCB20. Let's open it up and take a peek. So there's no tape holding this together. It's just, this is it. So here we go. We've got a nice floor vac attachment, a crevice tool, an extension tube, a brush, and then here's the vacuum. Oh, it has a small tool cleaner also. Interesting. This has a similar design to the Dustbuster that has worked so well for me for years. Taking it all apart, it has a remarkably similar design to the Dustbuster that I like so much. So there it is, on-off switch, the release. Here's the filter. Ah, good. And it has a one-way valve in the bottom, so like if you suck up a bee or something, you don't want it to come back and visit you. Let's put a battery in it and give it a whirl. This is a 5 amp hour DeWalt battery. This is a big one, but you can see it fits right in here, and here we go. Wow. That's pretty considerable. Then it's got this little floor attachment. I'll be darned. Let's try it on some spiders. So here are some spiders at the base of the grinding stand. Let's give it a shot. Oh, they're all gone. Well, so far so good. This seems like a pretty interesting thing. It is in many ways a copy of the Dustbuster, which I like very much. I do like this extension tube, and I've suctioned up about 20 stink bugs, June beetles, millipedes, metal shavings, all sorts of things. I am a little concerned that I haven't been able to find a replacement filter. However, it says the filter is reusable and washable with water, and then you just supposed to dry it for 24 hours before you use it again. So if I could find another filter, that would be really great. It's not as powerful, I don't believe, as the Dustbuster Platinum, which is kind of my favorite Dustbuster. It works really well, but it's not bad. And for a $40 bill versus a $100 bill, plus with all these little tools, it seems like a pretty good deal. So I'm pretty happy with it. Maybe after I use it for 3 to 6 months or a year, I'll do a quick review on it, but so far so good. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Thank you very much.